Yeah, you know I've been running with them OG. Been counting up $1 million checks. Growing up as a young nigga running with them OGs. I know the streets in and out, nigga, you could call me the streets lottery. Growing up as a young nigga running with them OGs. I know the streets in and out, nigga, you could call me the streets lottery. I'm the streets dictionary, January to January. I'm at the money, cocaine runner. I got odd numbers, 340 for a pound, Black Migo numbers. I know the route out the street if you want some money. Always keep it real, never snitch you fronted you. When I was 9 years old, kept had a lot of money. That inspired me to get money. Now I'm riding in the Porsche thinking, I'm thinking Ben Franklin's. How I was young, my mama had the package. I was born a Saran rapper. Growing up as a young nigga running with them OGs. I know the streets in and out, nigga, you could call me the streets lottery.
Nigga was like, hey, dude, I need to give you something, dog. Fuck me, dog. I said, man, you walk down here and give your ass some bullets, man. Who said that? You know, nigga out that traffic. You know, man, don't even walk up on me, but I'm telling you now, you walk up on me, I'm gonna shoot you. I ain't even decided you push. I fuck with you. I don't know you fuck with me, dog.
Growing up as a young nigga running with them OGs. I know the streets in and out, nigga, you could call me the streets lottery.
Say, back in the days when I started in the game, it was all about the loyalty with cats that felt the same. It was all about getting down together for the change. It was all about the fam, and fuck whoever came. We was young, but down for each other in the trap. Fighting in the streets way before we had the strap. Fucking on these hoes way before we had the money. So when niggas got paid, we ain't start acting funny. We understood the rules and the codes of the G's. Never beefing over pussy, just money or the cheese. To go from BGs to OGs, that's how it's gotta be. And that's how young trill niggas hit the street lottery. For real, nigga.
Growing up as a young nigga running with them OGs. I know the streets in and